everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. If you want to learn English speaking step by step, then this video is for you. Today topic is daily English conversation for beginner. In this video, you will learn how to speak English in your daily life. We will use very easy word and simple sentences. So don't worry, just listen carefully and practice with me. Let's start. Imagine this is day 1 of learning English conversation. In the morning, when you wake up, you can say good morning. You can also say good morning. How are you? The other person can reply, I am fine, thank you. Or I am good, how about you? You can answer, I am also fine. This is a very common daily conversation. You can use it every day. Now let's talk about daily routine conversation. You can say, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth, I take a bath, I have breakfast. If someone asks you, what do you do in the morning? You can say, I wake up early and go for a walk. Now let's practice conversation at home. You can say to your family, I am hungry. What is for breakfast? Please give me some water. If you want tea, you can say, can I have some tea? Or please make tea for me. These sentences are very easy but very useful. Now let's move to conversation outside the home. If you go to a shop, you can say, hello, I want this. How much is this? This shopkeeper may say, it is 100 rupees. You can reply, okay, please give it to me. Or it is expensive. Can you reduce the price? This is daily English conversation for shopping. Now let's talk about conversation with friend. You can say, hi, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Your friend may say, I am going to the market. You can reply, okay, let's go together. Very simple, very natural. Now imagine you are at work. You can say, I am working here. I am busy right now. I will call you later. If someone asks, what is your job? You can say, I am working in a company. I am a farmer. I am a supervisor. Speak slowly. Don't worry about mistakes. Now let's practice English conversation on the phone. You can say, hello, who is speaking? This is Anup speaking. If you want to talk later, say, I can call you later. I am busy now. These sentences are very important. Now let's talk about asking for help. You can say, can you help me? Please help me. I don't understand. If you don't know something, say, please explain again. Please speak slowly. This is very good for beginner. Now let's practice daily question and answer. Question, what is your name? Answer, my name is Anu. Question, where are you from? Answer, I am from India. Question, how old are you? Answer, I am 30-year-old. Practice these questions every day. Now let's talk about English conversation for food. You can say, I like tea. I like coffee. I like simple food. If you don't like something, say, I don't like spicy food. Very easy. Now let's talk about daily feelings. You can say, I am happy. I am tired. I am sad, I am feeling good. If you are not well, say, I am not feeling well. This helps you express yourself. Now want to give you one important tip. Don't try to speak fast. Speak slowly and clearly. Make mistakes but keep speaking. Practice these sentences daily. Speak in front of a mirror. Speak with friends. Speak with me. English is not difficult. English is just practice. If you practice daily conversation, your confidence will grow. Your fluency will improve day by day. So friend, this was daily English conversation for beginner. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Comment below and tell me which sentences you like the most. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Keep practicing English every day. Goodbye and take care.